Uh, it's LoJigg, you already know. About to start on my shit. You already know. Man, my head so fucking crazy. I be thinking every nigga around me be so shitty. I'm a nonchalant nigga, I could care less if every nigga hit me. I'm just a young nigga tryna get to this paper. Every step I take, I see a new fucking hitter. But I ain't worried about a pussy nigga. I'ma keep chasing to this paper. I can move to a different state and still see a fucking hitter. Yeah, it's just me and the gang, and we be ready to spread that motherfucking thing. Behind the gang, I'll kill your motherfucking mother, and after I'm finished, I'm coming for the others. Yeah, I'm on my disrespectful shit, but I walk around untouched, not worried about a motherfucking bitch. These niggas some fucking rats, talking to the police, man, that shit is fucking whack. How you street but telling all that shit to the fucking cat? If I see your ass lacking, I'ma bust your fucking back and hop up in the whip and leave his ass bloody and shit. I don't do this rapping shit, but at least I ain't never capping. All these niggas be capping in they fucking raps, bitch. These pussy niggas try to play me like I'm a clown, but I'ma get these niggas up about 100 rounds. Yeah, niggas must be not know my name is LoJigg, and I keep a fucking 40 stick up on my hip.